This will be the scene of the battle, though one hopes not literally. The Goldstone Ground Hove, home of Brighton and Hove Albion. Empty now, but soon it'll be full. And so to Brighton's now not-so-secret weapon, Peter Ward, the youngster who was playing non-league football, ironically just down the road from Derby just a few months ago, and now finds himself being watched by the First Division giants. Ward is an uncomplicated kind of lad who gets his kicks simply scoring goals.
Near number 2, O'Sullivan. Started with Towner on the left, which is interesting. Good turn by Ward, and a good effort. Oh, it's got in!
Ward. Oh, he used O'Sullivan well then, turned the other way. It's a nice chip. Oh, goal! Beautiful!
By no means over, and they're appealing for offside, and they haven't got it. And Ward going on, and one of it! Again, very loose back passer now. Ward has just his man to beat. It's the sub, and Ward's gone round him and fires one, and it's off the free.
Franks. Peter Ward. Goalkeeper off his line. 1-0. Sullivan. Oh, that's run towards. Finishing is magic. Beautiful skill. Oh, a lovely touch by Peter Ward, and now Towner. Actually, it was that lovely piece of skill there by Peter Ward that really opened up the way for so many things. O'Sullivan. Peter Ward. Terryman's there with him.
Too might have had a pep talk at half-time. Certainly in that first half they didn't really look quite as bad a side as we've perhaps been led to expect. Now Peter Ward on the break. What can he make of this? He's only got Sotheby to beat. Peter Ward going on, and he's made it! Typical piece of Peter Ward opportunism. The first half only a few seconds old, and he chases a long ball out of defence, beating Peter Sotheby and clipping it beautifully past Hesford in the Blackpool goal to lead 1-0. Brian Horton. Tyler, looking for Ward again, and Ward's away! Ward is on away again, and he's brought down, and it's a penalty! Peter Ward is brought down, and it's a penalty! So it's Brian Horton to take the kick, Horton versus Hesford. And he scores! Brian Horton makes it 2-0! The excitement is all there now. The goals have arrived at last, the 2 goals which seem to have sealed up this match. And there could be more to come. Peter Ward chipping it through, looking for Poskett. Poskett in! But Poskett scooping it over the bar when it looked as if he might well score. And it's O'Sullivan on the ball now, finding Brian Horton. Ken Tyler back to Potts. And this is Peter Ward. He's on his way. Well, a good shot and firmly gathered by Ian Hesford.
O'Sullivan, great favourite here with the fans. Oh, Ward found some good space there, and he's got past Ashurst, and that's good finishing. Well, Peter Ward warned Sunderland once, and the second time he made them pay. But Brighton will break away, and there's an injured player lying in the Sunderland half. He's going to put them onside. Oh, he has. That's rather unfortunate. It's Ward who's away. What a tremendous shot!
Finally, it's knocked away by a Blackburn defender as far as Joe Craig. Well, they're onside and Ward's going through. He's got a chance. Oh! Peter Ward wriggling his way through and so nearly putting Brighton ahead. That all came about after a little bit of sort of heading tennis, and Peter Ward it was who wriggled his way through, found a bit of room, hit the shot, and it avoided the goalkeeper and just went over the crossbar and got a touch on the way. Analysing his defence. Had a fairly quiet afternoon so far. But a strange deflection off the back of Mr. Taylor's legs. And Brighton are suddenly away with Peter Ward being driven wide, wider than he would want. He's got Maybank in support, but Ward electing to go it alone. Oh, and a tremendous shot, nearly catching the goalkeeper. Oh. And Teddy Maybank furious that the ball wasn't knocked back to him earlier.
Ward. Beautiful close control by Ward, and it's a goal! Straight under the body of Kevin Carney. Should have saved that one. But Ward certainly deserved that goal for the way he brought the ball under control. Magnificent skills. Carved out the shooting chance for himself.
Now Ward. Nice pace there, but the ball to Lawrenson. Oh, it made it in the end. Ward again. And that's Ward. Oh, well, what a good finisher he is. He made it, really.
Gregory for McNabb, found space well. Here's Ward. Ward again, chance. Good save from the keeper. Well, fine Brighton build-up there. McNabb started it, made a lot of space for himself. Eventually it fell to Ward. And Godden earned his pay.
Can try the centre once again. Robinson jumping. And that was a goal, surely a penalty. But Ward scores, and the penalty claim becomes immaterial.
Only Digweed not in the Watford half. And again a body in the way, and again from Robinson's shot. But Ward has done it.
And Smiley's cross, and Ward takes advantage of the area. Peter Ward.